Hello student, welcome to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Myself Dr. A.R. Deshmukh from Engineering Sciences Department. In this video, we are going to discuss about Introduction to Quantum Mechanics. For this particular topic, we will discuss photoelectric effect, electron wave particle duality, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So let us first understand what is mechanics. The study of the behavior of physical bodies when subjected to forces or displacement. Now this mechanics is classified into different classes on the basis of describing either macroscopic objects or microscopic objects. Now classical mechanics is describing the motion of macroscopic objects such as measurable or observable by naked eyes. However, quantum mechanics describing the behavior of the system at atomic length or atomic level scales which are microscopic. Now let us understand what is photoelectric effect. When light is incident on the metal plate, then there is an emission of electron with the certain kinetic energy and with some frequency. These electrons are also called as photoelectrons. However, according to the classical wave theory, the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectron is only dependent on the incident intensity of the light and independent on the light frequency. However, the result of the experiment shows the kinetic energy of the photoelectron is dependent on the light frequency. It means either varying the light intensity does not giving any change in the kinetic energy of the photoelectron which are emitted after light incident on the metal plates. So the results shows the kinetic energy of the photoelectron are dependent on the light frequencies. Now the photoelectric experiment results suggest that the energy in light waves is contained in the discrete energy packets which are called as energy quanta or photons, and this explains the wave behavior, the particle nature of the wave. And these particles or the particle is a photon and their energy can be calculated as h nu, where h is the Planck's constant and nu is the frequency. Now let us understand the electron as a particle has a wave-like behavior. Now in 1927, Davison and German did some experiment to understand the wave-like behavior of the particle. They incident some electron on the nickel sample and have place the detector with some angle theta, and they found that the electrons are scattered along the angle of theta, and the result shown that the wave-like behavior of the electron. So the wave particle duality is explained or the observed by de Broglie which consider the particle, the electron has the both nature like particle behavior as well as wave behavior. So particle like wave behavior have the example photoelectric effect, and wave like particle behavior has division and German experiment. The momentum of the photon is P equal to h by nu, where lambda is the de Broglie wavelength and can be calculated as lambda equal to h by p. Now let us understand the uncertainty principle. In 1927, Heisenberg explained the uncertainty principle, which stated that it is impossible to describe the absolute accuracy, the position and the momentum of the particle simultaneously. That means at the same time it is impossible to describe or to get the position as well as the momentum of the particle. It can be explained in other words also. It is impossible to simultaneously describe with absolute accuracy the energy of the particle and the instant of time the particle has this energy, certain energy. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle applies to electrons and states that we cannot determine the exact position of an electron. Instead, we could determine the probability of finding an electron at a particular position. So this gives us certain introductory idea about how this concept can be explained when we start to learn the quantum mechanics. Thank you.